Today I publish my report describing the contribution of the Test, Trace and Protect programme to the management of COVID-19 in Wales. And the first thing to say is that the various parts of the public sector involved in setting up the programme can feel proud of what they've achieved. A system of testing, contact tracing and support for self-isolation has been set up largely from scratch on an extraordinary scale and at pace. The programme has been under real pressure at times and it has responded well, showing an ability to evolve rapidly and to make an important contribution to the management of the virus. As we look forward though, my report highlights some areas that will need attention as we go through the remainder of this year. These include ensuring that the approach to testing continues to evolve, especially in hospital settings, and that we have a stable, flexible and resilient workforce to support timely contact tracing. Finally, although the vaccine rollout in Wales is progressing at pace, it's going to be important for the TTP programme to support members of the public who need to self-isolate if we are to keep the virus under control and help us slowly return to some form of normality in the future.